are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, fog lamps, rear window defroster, power door locks, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.